I got a case of these cutting boards from Aldi years ago. Some of them were irregular, so I'm just going to use the back. I start off by using the color Pueblo. I thought I was going to like this color for this project, but I end up not liking it, so I switched to the color Fawn. I already went over that with the color Fawn, and I hit the edges as well, as you can see here. Now I'm going to take this bag of wood slices from Hobby Lobby. They're all different sizes. I chose 2. And for the first one, I'm just going to hit the edges with that same fawn color, just to kind of make it more apparent. Now I'm going to take the smaller one and paint it red. I'm going to hit the edges of this, and once it's dry, I'm going to take some Mod Podge to seal down those pieces of wood that want to peel up. After this is dry, I'm going to start putting this together. I'm going to use wood glue and hot glue to secure each thing together. I put the smaller round on top of the bigger one, followed by the bigger one onto the cutting board. Now I'm going to take these Posca pens. These are paint markers. I get these from Amazon. They're awesome. I drew my eyes on first with a pencil and then went in with the paint marker with the white first. I did have to do a couple of coats of this, and then I went in with the black once those were dry. This doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. Just make it how you want it. Once I had all my layers on and it looked the way I wanted it, I dried it and accented it with some white dots and dashes, followed by some eyebrows and eyelashes using the color Burnt Umber. These picks came from Hobby Lobby. I cut one in half and then cut another one up into smaller pieces to make the antler. I just twisted the smaller pieces around the larger ones, glued some pip berries on, and then glued those both to the front. Next, I made some ears out of this burlap ribbon. I cut triangles and then crimped it on the end and hot glued it to the top edge of the cutting board. I did this for both sides, and then made a cute little bow to put right between the pieces of greenery. I added a line using a brown Sharpie right under the nose, and I didn't make a mouth, but you can make one if you want. I made a simple jute hanger, put that on, and then took these peel and stick letters from my beautiful friend Raquel. She gave me a lifetime supply of peel and stick letters. Thank you, beautiful friend. I spelled out the words "Oh dear" at the bottom and then put some white dots for some accent. And that is it for this Pinterest inspired project. I love it so much. If you don't want your deer to have a bow, leave your bow off, but I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to water the vine, and I'll see you next time.